The manual on uniform traffic control devices specifies 4 work zone areas. 1. The advance warning area, where road users are informed of work activities ahead. 1 or more signs may be used here, with or without warning lights. 2. The transition area, where road users are redirected from their normal path. Channeling devices and pavement markings are often used in this area. 3. The activity area, where work activities take place. Workspaces, traffic spaces, and buffer spaces must be clearly defined in this area by channeling devices or temporary barriers. And 4. The termination area, where road users return to their normal path. This area ends at the last traffic control device, such as an End Roadwork sign. Guidelines and worksheets for all 4 areas are fully detailed in the MUT CD.